Rademiu, put 2 in recipe for your dough and your dumpling. Okay, he kept show you how to making dumpling. Okay, you can using fork, not fork, spoon, or you can use fingers. He kept use spoon this time and pressing insiding meat, and can do this way. Is way number 1, like this, or you can put here. You can sometime make little bit blanket like this one and putting for cooking. Okay, next one you kept put for meat. This one he kept show you tricking for make dumpling. You can also use for this one. Some people have this one. You can pressing for meat and have small piece like this one. You kept add a little bit more and put in middle and pressing and make blanket for your meat. Make sure you have no meat sticking out. Okay, you can leave it this way, or you can fold over your blanket. It's up to you. Okay, 2. You can get different spoon for cheese and potato. After cooking, you kept like to eat with bacon and onion and sour cream. Okay, there we go. Push inside and wrapping in blanket. Try not to get outside. It's okay. I want to escaping. It feels good for pressing like you are, cannot say on YouTube, get banned. Okay, and pressing together for this one. Put potato on this side. Okay, you kept like to use spoon. You kept make few more and then pausing video. You will see have many more. You are making flat pierogi dumpling, very thin and not sticking to fingers. You kept learning, not make a long time this one. Okay, one more potato. Make ball, squeeze inside, folding over and making for a closed blanket, and closing. Okay, you can leave in like this one sometime. Also, he kept sometime putting, okay, his blanket open here, closing one more time. It take a long time for this recipe. He kept get 2 more requesting. I try my best, but he kept not have patience for the recipe take a long time. He kept busy man. He kept have no time for make food, want to only eating and have places to go and people to see. Okay, you kept pausing now and reminding you for make subscription, sub my YouTube channel. And making like or dislike, you kept not care, all the same. And come back, you will see many more. Okay, he kept finish make first batch dumplings. This one potato and cottage cheese, this one beef, pork, mushroom, onion. Okay, you kept now boil and take a long time this recipe. You kept can make porno movie in same time. This one. Anyway, I want to let everyone and thank you everyone for make comments and liking and disliking and sharing and clicking goddamn bell. Also, thank you for making your recommendation and suggestion. You kept have more video coming, and if you are wanting to make recommendation, make something recommending fast. You kept not have time for this one. You kept hungry now. Making this take long time for can make porno movie. Anyway. Okay, you kept cover dumpling before cook. Make sure it's not dry. And last stepping, put dumpling into boiling water with salt for 5, 10 or 15 minutes. You kept show. Okay. Dropping. Okay. You kept hungry. Want to make for eating. Make sure you are stirring. You can make 4 this one potato and make 2 or 3 meat. Maybe ECAP should put separate anyway. Okay, finish. Make sure you are stirring and often make sure not stick together. Waiting for boil to pop up. Pierogi dumpling waiting for go on top, rising like you know what, inside your pants, rising. Okay, usually taking for between 5 and 10 minutes. After rising to top, cooking, boiling for 5 more minutes. And he kept make one more thing, also showing you can boiling your dumpling and put freezer for what you not want to eating, or you can make your dumpling and putting in bag for freezer and cook later. Okay, if you are want to cook later, putting your dumpling into wax paper. This way it's not sticking. Be careful catching fire. Okay, you can have more dumpling to making and more eating for next time. Okay, put this one in plastic baggie and put freezer. Not forget to stirring. Okay, you got putting into Ziploc and throw into freezer. Make sure no air inside. Okay, put in freezer for make whenever you are wanting, after your boom boom or after whatever. Okay, you kept have one more step to make onion and bacon, and when finish cooking it's better to have big pot. You kept not say for smoking, for boiling. Okay, he kept transferring to bigger pot, and also two dumpling are breaking, throw away. Okay, last step. Take onion, cutting for long pieces like this one. Okay, and just like that, make long pieces and throw for, God damn you, throw for bacon. You can use 2 slices, too much. Turn down heat, wait for dumpling to rise and cooking. Bacon and onion for sour cream dressing after cook. Thank you again. You kept say with a little bit butter. You kept thank you for subscribing. Have 49 subscribing. Maybe have 50 today, not check. ECAP have very special video coming on YouTube for 50 subscribers. Is thank you. Somebody make special request. ECAP make video and posting after get 50 subscribing. Okay, maybe ECAP put garlic this one also. Thank you for watching, and ECAP when finished boiling will give you taste test. Okay, can see dumpling floating now. Cook for 5 more minutes. Boiling 5-4. And get your sour cream ready. Mixing from open and putting plate for each. This one. Okay. Put sour cream plate. You kept like sour cream. And you kept should cutting bacon first, but forget. And cut now for a small piece. Okay, cutting bacon. You are wanting your onion for make brown. You kept not racist. You kept like white and black. Use salt and pepper all the time. Okay. Make this one nice and golden. And have dumpling cook for 5 minutes after rise to top. Almost ready. A little bit more. And he kept give you taste test. Make too much bacon and onion. Oh well. He kept like this one. When finished, put on sour cream. And make sour cream. Mixing. Okay, he kept hungry. Get pierogies, dumplings. Take from boiling water. Put on eating plates. Find out what kind of dumpling have for eating. Okay, put bacon and onion over sour cream, and finally here we go. This one make for meat, and he kept put a little bit bacon and onion and dumpling and eating. Okay, it's pretty good. I tell you, sour cream and onion bacon make it worthwhile for eating. Okay, this one meat. He kept looking for cheese. Okay, eating for cheese, potato. Very good. Thank you again. And he kept see you next time. Gute Nacht.
Not forget, ring a bell.